Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Clarence Rockland local and long-distance movers near me. Finding the right cheap Clarence Rockland moving company is important. 3 Movers offers the most affordable local and long-distance moving services with dependable options. Our team knows how to make any type of move easier and faster. With the right long-distance moving services, you will be able to move very easily. We offer packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. If you're ready to handle a long-distance move, we are ready to help you. We offer plenty of options to make your move simple and easy. Whether you're relocating 100 miles, 500 miles, or even 1,000 miles away, we can help you. A Canada moving company can make any local move easier. With the right help, you'll get just what you need to avoid the hard work and potential injuries associated with moving. It's a lot of work if you try to do it yourself. 3 Movers will do all the work for you. We know how to streamline the entire moving process to get you to your new location faster. Our team can save you a ton of time and energy on your local move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Clarence Rockland moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.